Hello all, in today's video we are going to see how to make a translator. So this is the translator screen, the first backdrop. Let's click the green flag, the music play. What do you want to translate? I want to translate hello to which language? French. Salute, and it is correct. Let's test it again by clicking translate. I am using QWERTY keyboard. Let's translate it to Marathi. मी QWERTY keyboard वापरत आहे. Yes, it's correct. Let's see the code which I used. When the green flag will be clicked, green flag message will be broadcasted and a music will be played. This music you will get in extensions. The music I have already added here. This is the music. After you click that, you get this music. I have used the translate in these extensions. In translate only two blocks are there. I have also used Makey extension here. Let's see the whole code. This is the whole code. When I receive the green flag message, broadcast message start. When I receive broadcast of start, then this translate button will go here in the middle, X0, Y0. It will be shown and it will be in the front layer. When the translate button is clicked, it will ask what to translate, and I've made a variable to translate, and the translation to translate what to translate, the answer which we will get here will be translated, but they haven't mentioned the language before, so we will ask to which language and wait. So there is no variable for that answer. Then the translate button will say, means the speech bubble will come here. Translate the message, the variable to answer for 10 seconds. Answer means this language which is going to enter, the user is going to enter, and this is a Makey block. When left and right pressed in order, the music will play again like the green flag is clicked. Let's see by clicking left right, it is working. There are many options for the order. This is the very big one, the biggest one. Bye all. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.